Good morning, dear students. Addition of heteronuclear molecule with alkene is based on Markovnikov rule, right? If alkene is unsymmetrical or asymmetric, but addition of heteronuclear molecule like HBr, not HCl or HI, with asymmetric alkene is against of Markovnikov rule, which is also known as anti-Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? According to Markovnikov rule, negative part of heteronuclear molecule goes to less hydrogen containing double bonded carbon atom and positive part to more hydrogen containing. But in the presence of peroxide like benzoyl peroxide, what happens? Addition of heteronuclear molecule against of Markovnikov rule. Negative part goes to more hydrogen containing double bonded carbon atom and positive just opposite, less hydrogen containing double bonded carbon atom, right? For example, addition of HBr to propene in the presence of benzoyl peroxide, then formation of 1-bromopropane as major product, 1-bromopropane as major product and 2-bromopropane as minor product. In Markovnikov rule, according to Markovnikov rule, secondary halide of propene is major product and against of Markovnikov rule, it means anti-Markovnikov rule, primary halide of propene is major product. What is the reason? Anti-Markovnikov rule is based on free radical mechanism, formation of free radicals. And what is the order of stability of free radicals? Tertiary free radicals are more stable than secondary, and secondary free radicals are more stable than primary. Right? In carbocation, Markovnikov rule is based on formation of ions, carbocation. Formation of primary carbocation, secondary carbocation, right? Tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary and secondary carbocation is more stable than primary. Children, anti-Markovnikov rule is also known as peroxide effect or Kharash effect. This anti-Markovnikov rule, in this rule, initiator is peroxide, benzoyl peroxide, right? And free radical is reaction or free radical mechanism is based on which one? Use of peroxide in this rule. And this reaction, free radical based mechanism completes in 3 steps. First is initiation, then propagation, and last is termination. Initiation, generation of initiator, formation of initiator, and free radical is initiator in this mechanism. Propagation to proceed the process, the reaction between neutral molecule and free radical. And last step is termination to stop the further reaction or process. Okay children? Any mechanism, reaction mechanism is shown by curved arrow. Right? Either fully headed arrow, complete head of arrow, or by half-headed arrow. Half-headed arrow for free radical mechanism, because free radical is based on homolysis. Homolysis. What is homolysis? In homolytic process, bonded pair of electron, complete cleavage of bonded pair of electron, and each electron goes to single atom. One electron is withdrawn by one atom. Then formation of reactive species, chemical species, which is known as free radical. Right children? Now first step is formation of free radical. This is the bonding structure of benzoyl peroxide, C6H5CO. OO, this linkage is peroxide linkage. O single bond O, this is peroxide linkage. Per means each. Oxide, oxygen. Benzoyl group. C6H5CO is benzoyl group which is attached with oxygen. Second, mirror image of this C6H5CO. attached with oxygen. This is benzoyl peroxide, but bonding structure is showing peroxide linkage. Then homolysis between this and this bond, a O, single bond O, like this. What is written here? Homolysis. After homolysis, one electron goes to this, second to this. Formation of free radical. Just half of this, formation of two free radicals of same type. Like benzoate ion. This is benzoate free radical. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of its own, and this is coming after bond cleavage or electron chemical species. Further homolysis between this carbon and formation of phenyl free radical C6H5. Odd electron is present in this unit, in this chemical species. This is phenyl free radical and stable molecule is carbon dioxide, right? 2 CO2. One electron of this carbon and this odd electron. Then formation of new chemical bond between C and O, double bond, and C double bond O, C double bond O, stable molecule is carbon dioxide, right? Right, children? After initiation, after formation of free radical or initiator, next step is propagation. This is propagation. Reaction between HBr. Here reactant, second reactant is HBr and phenyl free radical and formation of second stable molecule, right? Stable molecule which is benzene C6H6 and second type of free radical. Okay, first type, second type, third type of free radical is bromine free radical. The next step, reaction between bromine free radical and second reactant molecule. First reactant molecule, second reactant molecule. The second reactant molecule is unsymmetric alkene, right? Or asymmetric alkene. CH2 double bond CH2 is a symmetric, but CH double bond CH2 is asymmetric, right? Then addition or attack of this bromine free radical in two different manners. First possibility, children, after homolysis of this one electron goes to this carbon, second electron goes to this carbon, then two possibilities for attack of Br free radical. First possibility, this arrow is showing first possibility, when Br attack at this carbon, right? Then formation of secondary free radical. This is secondary. Odd electron is present on secondary carbon. This carbon is a secondary type of free radical is secondary free radical, right? Second possibility, if Br attack at this carbon, right? Then formation of primary free radical. Okay, children, after attack of this Br at this carbon, then bond formation between C and Br. And formation of primary free radical. This carbon is primary. This carbon is attached to single carbon. This is primary carbon. Then in primary free radical and secondary free radical, which free radical is more stable? Secondary. Right? Then major product of secondary radical, free radical, not of primary free radical. Next step, attack of second molecule of HBr. Right? Then reaction, formation of second free radical, H free, hydrogen free radical, Br free radical. Again homolysis occurs in HBr molecule like this. Homolysis in HBr. One electron goes to this, second goes to this. The electron of hydrogen and this carbon forms a new bond. This is CH2. Conversion of CH into CH2, right? And major product is bromopropane, which is primary halide. Okay, children, this one, bromopropane. This one, 1, 2, 3, one bromopropane, and this radical attacks on second propene molecule, like this, right? reuse of Br radical with second molecule of propene. Okay children, this is complete reaction mechanism of anti-Markovnikov rule. Conversion of propene into 1-bromopropane by anti-Markovnikov rule. Okay, I have written only major product. This is major product and minor product of this one. If H attacks at this one, then formation of secondary halide which is 2-bromopropane. Okay, children? This is important for conversion of propene into 1-bromopropane by anti-Markovnikov